Okay, so guys and gals, you're taking a look at the problem set, and I'm coming back through. We are looking at page 49 in our math book, and we've got 4 problems. It looks so easy from here, doesn't it? But then they're also asking us to draw those models, which sometimes are a little confusing. So let's dig in to the first problem, 8 ninths divided by 4 ninths, and I see that they do have a common denominator. So I'm just going to go 8 ninths times 9 over 4, cross cancel, and now I've got 8 over 4, which equals, how many 4s are in 8? Oh, that would be 2. So if I drew out, I'm going to draw right here. Here's my 0. And I've got to go with ninths. So 1 ninth, 2 ninths, 3 ninths, 4 ninths, 5 ninths. I'll just label 5 ninths. 6 ninths, 7 ninths, 8 ninths, 9 ninths. 9 ninths is 1. And it said I only needed to go to 8 ninths. So there's 8 ninths. Just draw that in, 8 ninths, and then I'm dividing or chunking it by 4 ninths. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 2. That one worked out perfectly. Okay, let's look at 2. 2 is also, we've got a common denominator, 9 tenths divided by 4 tenths. So I'm going to write my 9 tenths, and I'm going to multiply and flip the 4 tenths to be 10 fourths. Cross cancel, I get 9 fourths. That equals 2 and 1/4. Okay, so now let's see what this is going to look like. If I have, I'll do my number line right down here, and I'm going to count by my tenths. So here's my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 9 tenths. 10 tenths would be 1 whole. And I'm dividing by 4 tenths. So I'll go in with a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tenths. So there's my 2. And I have 1 of the groups of 4 left over. Okay, so that one works out well. This one, let's change to a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply by 3, and this one I'm going to multiply by 5 so that I get 15. And so now I'm going to rewrite it. Maybe I'll drop down here. This is problem number 3. I have 9 fifteenths divided by 5 fifteenths. Now I'm going to flip my second fraction, 9 fifteenths times 15 fifths, cross cancel. I get 9 fifths, which is not quite 2, so 1 and 4 fifths. So mathematically I figure it out. Now I just need to draw it out. And I'm going to draw out, what did it say? I need to go to 9 fifteenths. So if this is my line here, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fifteenths. And then it would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 fifteenths is 1. Okay, but I only need to go to 9 fifteenths. So here we are. And of that, I'm going to chunk into groups of 5 fifteenths. So I will grab this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I have 4, but I don't have this last fifth to make 2. So that's my 1 and 4 fifths. Okay, we just have one problem left in our problem set. It is 3/4 divided by 1/5. And you know what I think I'm going to change it to is 20, because I know they have that in common. So I've got 15, I'm rewriting it down here, 15 20ths divided by 4 20ths, and that is going to be 15 20ths times 20 fourths, cross cancel. I get 15 over 4, which I know 4 times, this is where your math facts come in handy. 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 3/4 is what I'm going to end up drawing. So if I had, out of 20, let's do a little bit different. So if I had this, I'm going to go 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did it in 10, but because I've got 2 layers, it's a total of 20. So if I go in and I shade in, let's shade in 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 1 extras. There's my 15 20ths. And I'm going to divide it into chunks of, it said 4. So I'm going to come in with a little different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a second group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's my 3, and then out of 4, I have 3 shaded in. That is the 3/4, 3/4. Okay, well done, you guys.